Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
This has been a very deceiving first day of October, I will say.
has.
It felt so nice this morning, but it got really warm really quick.
It warmed up a good bit this afternoon. Not unusual to have comfortable mornings and warm afternoons, but I think a lot of us would have liked maybe not quite as warm of an afternoon out there that we got. We are going to see temperatures cool a little bit over the next few days, and the forecast is going to stay a quiet one. I know a lot of you are wondering, when are we going to see some more substantial rain chances, because we are in need of that. Well, it's not going to happen the next 3 days. Pretty well count on more dry weather Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We get our weekly drought update first thing tomorrow morning, and likely we're going to continue to have some problems with some abnormally dry conditions and even some drought in some areas. So rain is something that we need. And towards the end of the weekend, and especially into early next week, it looks like the chances are going to pick up just a little bit. They may not be real substantial, but you know what? We'll take what we can get. We'll start you off here with potential rainfalls late Sunday. We do expect tail end of the weekend there might be a shower, but notice the rain activity should be pretty limited. In fact, it really won't add up to much in most areas until we get into early next week. So we'll take you through Monday, Tuesday. This will be cumulative. And through Tuesday evening, it will likely vary a little bit depending on where we may get some heavier showers and thunder showers coming on through. The low end, some places maybe only 1/4 of an inch, but we are seeing some indications that there could be parts of North Alabama that maybe pick up over the first couple of days next week, maybe an inch or so of rainfall. Don't necessarily focus on the exact numbers, because the model data that I'm showing you can't exactly pinpoint this far out where those heavier downpours are going to set up. But it is giving us a general idea as to what we could see across the area heading into early next week. Right now, we're not seeing anything. It's been a clean sweep on 31 Triple Doppler all afternoon, and that bodes well for your evening plans, which will be dry. Latest here with future radar showing skies will be in general mostly clear overnight tonight. We should cool off again nicely, so as Georgia was mentioning, stepping out first thing tomorrow morning, it'll feel pretty good. And the afternoon won't be quite as warm. We will see a breeze out of the east and the southeast. There's actually some cooler air, slightly cooler, that is going to be working its way over the Appalachians and into our area over the next couple days. So our temperatures are trending down slightly. Plenty of sunshine though, lunchtime tomorrow, and we'll keep it mainly sunny through your Thursday afternoon. Friday will be more or less the same, comfortable in the morning, some sun into the afternoon that will warm us up, but not excessively. And even on into Saturday, no big weather changes expected. Clear skies early in the day, and then we may pick up a few afternoon clouds, but not expecting any rainfall at this point in time. Similar story if you are traveling to Tuscaloosa. I got a big one there. Vanderbilt coming to town to take on the Crimson Tide. 2:30 kick on that game, which you can watch right here on Wave 31. Kickoff temperatures will be in the low 80s, staying mostly in the 80s through halftime, and then starting to cool a bit into the fourth quarter. And right now, it does not look like you will need any rain gear if you're attending that game in person on Saturday. Quick update on the tropics. We have Hurricane Imelda continue to pull away from the East Coast, but that little speck there, that's the island of Bermuda. This may get a little bit stronger. Cat 2 storm, and the track could take it right across the island. So there will likely be some impacts there before this pulls away, moves out to sea, and becomes a non-tropical low there in the North Atlantic. For us overnight tonight, we'll drop back low mid-60s. Enjoy that in the morning. Tomorrow afternoon, your temperatures climb into the 70s by mid-morning. We will be into the mostly low 80s tomorrow afternoon, so not quite as warm as it turned out today. About 80 in Fort Payne. We'll go 82 for Huntsville, 85 Decatur, and a little warmer there in the Shoals with an 87 showing up in Florence. Wave 31 Storm Tracker 10-day looking like this. Highs will stay in the low 80s through the weekend with a couple cooler mornings in the 50s both Friday and Saturday morning. Again, rain chances do return next week, Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday, likely wettest, with those warm temperatures sticking around as well. Can't seem to shake the 80-degree weather, at least for now, but we will see a cool down eventually. We're just going to have to be patient and wait for it.
Yeah, I know we're not usually hoping for rain, but we, like you said, definitely need it right now.
Yeah,
so hopefully
definitely.
those rain chances will pick up.
Looking better for next week.
Good. Well, thank you, Jeff. And in our